Hello everyone, let us make an easy 5-minute recipe with these two ingredients. Jumping right into the recipe, we will take 1.5 cup desiccated coconut. This is the dry coconut which is readily available in any grocery store near you. To this we'll be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. You can always add a tablespoon extra if you like on the sweeter side, although I would suggest to keep it for the last depending upon how it turns out. Next, we will be taking in homemade strawberry compote. You can also substitute the same with store-bought strawberry jam. I have shared the recipe for this towards the end of the video. Lastly, we will add a tablespoon of almond butter to give it a creamy texture. You can also replace it with coconut butter or even skip it altogether, although adding this will give a delightful nutty twist to each decadent bite in your truffles. Now using a spatula, we will gather everything together, mixing all the dry into the wet and getting it to be a good emulsified soft dough-like texture. Strawberries are in season out here, and I've chosen the sweetest and the juiciest ones to make the compote, and therefore I've used less amount of sweetened condensed milk, which helps to experience the luscious burst of strawberry flavor in your mouth. This is the consistency that we are looking for, just enough binding to make them into soft truffle balls. Next, we will take some extra desiccated coconut in a separate bowl. This will be used for coating the truffles. Now, taking about a spoonful of the mixture, we will roll it into a smooth ball, ensuring it is rolled tight enough to hold the shape. And then, taking the same into the bowl of desiccated coconut, we will coat the truffles. Similarly, we will repeat the same for half the batch of the mixture, which will give us about 6 truffles. You can very well do the same for the entire batch, although I do have another way of making the truffles with the second half. Now for the second half of the batch, we will take a spoonful of the mixture, flatten it out, and taking some of the strawberry compote, we will fill the center of the truffle, and rolling it out into the same way, we will once again coat it with the desiccated coconut. These truffles are budget friendly and make a beautiful homemade gift for any special occasion. These are so delicious that you can't just stop at one. Repeat the same for the rest of the mixture, which will give us a total of about 14 truffles. Now for the final step, we will take half a cup of chocolate. This can be either milk chocolate or dark chocolate, whichever you prefer. Melt it over the double boiler or in a microwave and fill it into a piping bag for the next step. Next, we will take the mini paper cups and fill it in with a dollop of chocolate, about a spoonful, and place the truffle over it, pushing it downward to get the chocolate filling into the sides of the paper cup. Repeat the same for the rest of the truffles. Once all the truffles have been coated with chocolate in the paper cups, you can refrigerate them for about 10 minutes until the chocolate is set. This will help to peel off the paper cups easily, just like how I'll be showing here. These delicious strawberry coconut truffles are one of the easiest things you can make. And they don't even require any cooking or baking. And they come together with just a few simple steps. The delicious combination of strawberries and coconut coated in smooth, silky chocolate are a bliss in every bite. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes on my channel. And do stick around for the compote recipe. For the strawberry compote, Start by washing and removing the stems from fresh strawberries and chopping them into small pieces. Put them in a pan over low heat, stirring at all times, ensuring to scrape the bottom of the pan. Cook them on low heat until they become soft and juicy. Add a squeeze of lime juice for an extra flavor if you like. Once the strawberries have cooked down into a thick sauce, we will add a tablespoon of castor sugar and cook it for another minute or two. And here you have it, your fresh homemade strawberry compote is ready for use. Transfer this to an airtight container and use it as you like. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye for now.